Hello everyone, this video I will show you the tear down of this PSU. So actually it's a 450 watt power supply po ay Cooler Master actually. So as you can see, this is the specification. Then here's the inside components of this unit. Actually it's a quality build, as you can see. The heatsink is quite big. The capacitors they use is I don't know the brand, but it looks like a quality brand capacitors. And it has 2 EMF protection coil, 2 parallel diodes, so I think it's cool. And as you can see, it's a build quality. Actually it's almost 12 years old or 17 years old CPU ay power supply unit. So here's the actually it's still usable as of today. I'm just doing the teardown because it needs to be cleaned. Right now it's already cleaned, but there's some dust on even cobwebs or spider webs that cannot be fully cleaned. It's sticking in the MOSFETs. Look at this. Look at that.